QR codes make event check-ins faster and easier. No manual work, no delays. In this video, we'll show you how to use Eventin's QR code system to validate tickets in seconds. First, navigate to the settings page of Eventin. Then go to the attendee section. Make sure the attendee registration option is enabled. You can also configure additional form fields from here. Now let's purchase a ticket and book an event. Once done, the ticket will be available to download instantly. A copy will also be sent to your email so you can download it from either source. Let's now validate the ticket using the QR code scanner. Click the Ticket Scanner button and scan the ticket you just downloaded. And yes, it's successfully validated. You'll see the ticket status automatically update. There's another way to validate. Download the ticket. Locate the QR code and scan it using the same process. Again, the validation is successful. We also offer a manual validation option. If you want to skip the scanning, simply select Used from the drop-down menu to validate the ticket manually. What happens if someone tries to scan the same ticket twice? It will show a Ticket Already Used message, preventing duplicate entries. That's how you can easily validate event tickets using QR codes in Eventin. We hope you found this short tutorial helpful. Follow our social channels for more updates and walkthroughs. Thanks for watching.